Good morning, everybody. This is Ramakrishna as a part of Personal Effectiveness series. This is part 3 about relationship management. You have to understand we are not living alone in this world. Day in and day out, we have to live with different kinds of individuals, and either at the office or at the personal level, at family or with friends and in general society. Especially today's context, in this part 3 of the program on personal effectiveness, I would like to say on the importance of relationship and collaboration at the workplace. For example, you are working in an office, you are having 10 years of experience and you have a newcomer into your office. Whether the guy has to come to you and say hello to you, or you have to go there and speak to him, it is you who have to decide why this guy is not coming to me. You feel that I am 10 years experience than him, this newly recruit, why is not coming and wishing me? Please remove a 3-letter word called EGO. Ego is one thing which will create a barrier between you and the new person who has to work for you and with you for departmental goals in the long term. Remove your ego and go to his place and give a thank. Yes, my dear friend, I am there for you. How is the climate? How you are able to adjust to the new climate? Have you understood the organizational policies? Have you understood the job responsibilities immediately? Whatever the internal fears or phobias inside that new guy is having inside his mind will be cleared off, and he will have a connecting bond with you, and he will feel like a timely mentor in you. That's what you have to do. And also the second point is, please maintain a positive relationship with your own colleagues by regularly interacting with them, speaking to them, motivating not only by verbal means like speaking or writing, but non-verbal also by gestures. Yes, I am there for you, I am there with you. Just give a smile when you come to the office, and whenever they are on off or whenever they are on leave, just call them to just ask them, inquire about them, how are you, how things going on. You can nowadays you can do SMS also. And also warm up new conversations. So warm up conversations whenever you are meeting. Don't be serious mode. Be humorous. Be lively. Don't play jokes on them, but play jokes on you. This is an importance. Or say play situations. The jokes on the general situations. This is so important to maintain a relationship. You have to understand all this are so important. My request is, please try to maintain positive relationship with your people. And fourth point is to maintain and usage of courtesy words. These are very much courtesy words are like one, welcome, good morning, good evening, thank you, and how are you. If you have done something wrong, or if you unintentional or intentionally hurt them, say sorry, nothing wrong it is, because in the long term you have to work with each other very well. And also if someone is not well or not coming to the office nowadays, just call over them and inquire about them. Maybe how is their family, how is their age-old parents. Just that will reconnect them, and they will feel that you are an important person in their life. These are simple things you can do. This doesn't cost much. This doesn't cost you your salary. This doesn't cost nothing from your pocket. It will only a few minutes of time. It will give immense satisfaction to you, and also to benefit to the organization. Productivity will improve, performance will improve, and also the connectivity will improve, and the voluntary contribution from the X or Y whom you are getting connected will happen. My request is, please go through all these things. You can see quickly my number. You can see my number, Ramakrishna Tanikella, life's coach, holistic practitioner. Phone 98495 76121, and my number email is rktanikella88@gmail.com. Website is ipmsolutions.org. I will repeat my number. +91 is my country code. I am a life coach and holistic solution provider and a psychologist. I am a author and consultant on various problems I used to involve. I train nearly 1.2 lakhs across different parts of the world, and my request is, you can be in touch, you can share the information to your people. And thank you very much for watching this small 5-minute video. You can contact me on +91 98495 76121. Thank you very much. Good luck to you.